Welcome to the fastest delivery challenge. Only the most skilled engine will get the cup. Now, red engine, number 5, James. And diesel engine, Paxton, are beginning today's challenge. Wow! Look what good shape is demonstrated by James. He's easily coping with the track. And this track didn't turn out that simple for Paxton. Congratulations, James! Way to go! And now we have here the Shantymaster, diesel engine, Salty, and the green engine, number 3, Henry. Whoa, Henry, take it easy, my friend. Owing to Henry's fast speed, he's winning over a serious opponent. Yeah, with such a mindset, Henry can easily win today's whole competition. Aha! Who is that engine over here? Ha! That's Diesel! And the big, bold, blue engine, Hank. Oh, I guess Hank got stuck. And Diesel hurriedly is heading to the finish. What a twist! What a surprise! It seems like such a big engine as Hank didn't have enough space to gain speed before going up the ramp. And our last couple of contenders that will be competing for the cup, Full-Line Scotsman and Little Blue Engine number 2, Edward. Oh, look! Edward is already close to the finish. Wow, that was so fast! It looks like for the big engines, today's track turned out to be a little too difficult. We've got 4 contenders qualifying further, and this is semi-final. Look at that! Henry keeps following his tactics. High speed. And it looks like James is trying to copy his example. James is being very careful while pushing his trucks forward. And he's confidently finishing. And Henry just missed some luck this time. Congratulations, James! You are in the final. Who's going to be James's opponent? Who's James is gonna compete with for the cup? Diesel or Edward? Edward is steadily gaining some speed. It's a real mystery how he's doing it. That's what I call excellent skills. Diesel is trying to catch up with him, but in vain. Edward today is just unbeatable. And this is the final. Now we'll find out who is the best delivery engine out there. James is entering the ramp first. Oh no! I guess James is having some minor problems over there. Edward is shooting ahead and there is not much left to hit the finish. Yeah! Edward is getting his victory. James had a decent performance today, and he takes an honor 2nd place. Today, Gordon and Yonbao are about to have a friendly competition, during which they figure out which one of them is the coolest. All aboard! And now, our contenders will demonstrate their skills in cargo delivery. We all know Gordon doesn't really like to be engaged in such kind of an activity. Oh, what a steep ramp! tricky bridge. Ho ho ho! Gordon indeed doesn't like pushing trucks. And finish! Oh, it looks like Yeonbao is stuck. Let's help him out. The score becomes 1-0 in Gordon's favor. And now, give it up to the agility challenge. Yeonbao is carrying skiff, and Gordon is supposed to catch the treasure chest. Oh, ho, 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 the indignity! Well, the task is by far not very simple. Now, let's find out how good Yeonbao is. Haha! The chest is stuck! It was so close! It means the score remains the same, 1-0. And now, tug-of-war challenge. The contenders are supposed to pull each other to their side. And we will find out who of them will be more powerful. Regardless all efforts of Yeonbao, Gordon is grabbing the victory. The score becomes 2-0 in Gordon's favor. And now, we are starting the racing challenge. We'll find out which engine is faster. Oh, Yeonbao's getting ahead at the turn. Gordon, push it! Come on, buddy! So far, they're getting pretty tight. And Yeonbao wins! The score is changing. 2-1. That's becoming intriguing. And the last, but the most complex challenge. The contenders are supposed to demonstrate all their skills, speed, agility, and power. Trucks, tricky bridges, ramps, and blasting tunnels. Wow, what a super cool track! My friend, put likes if you agree. Oh, look! Let's help Gordon here. Gordon, push it! Time is ticking. The last curvy section before the finish. And 57 seconds is Gordon's result. Let's see if Yeonbao can beat it. If he succeeds in doing it, the score will become even. If he doesn't, Gordon will win the whole challenge. And whom are you rooting for? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, it looks like Yeonbao needs some help. Half of the track is behind. Come on, Yeonbao, speed up! The last curve. And... oh man! Yeonbao is falling off the track. His time is 1 minute and 6 seconds. And that means Gordon is winning in this round and in the whole challenge with the score 3-1. Congratulations, Gordon! Hi kids! In today's incredible racing, red and blue engines will make it clear which one of them is the fastest one. Alright, so the first couple we have here is Mike and Thomas. Intriguingly, which one is gonna make it to the finish first? Oh, it seems like Thomas is gradually gaining an advantage on the track, and he's leaving Mike a little behind. The last obstacle? The tunnel is successfully overcome and... Thomas is finishing first! Yeah, good job, Thomas! Confident victory in this round. The replay shows us Thomas riding along the track quite masterfully. And now the next round. Here we have Sir Handel versus James. Who do you think is going to win? Well, I guess I already know the answer. Sir Handel is trailing behind and he's got no chance to catch up with James. Unless some kind of a miracle occurs. James is taking the last turn. Yeah, he's confidently passing through all the obstacles and coming to the finish first. Not bad, James, not bad at all. We congratulate James on qualifying to the semi-final. We're right bet he will have a stronger opponent. Now, let's welcome our next contenders. Victor versus Timothy. Ha! Red or blue engine? That's the question. We'll find out in a minute. Woo! I gotta say, Victor is getting quite an impressive speed along the track. He's flying like a real rocket today. And he's leaving Timothy no chance to get even closer to him. Yeah, very confident finish. Congratulations, Victor! Let's take a look at some interesting moments on the replay. Okay, now we're gonna witness a racing battle between Edward and Salty. Well, I guess I have to say both of them are not very good at fast riding. As you know, Salty is shunter, so we can't really expect much from him today. Oh look, somehow Salty is managing to get a little bit ahead of Edward. Let's see if he's gonna keep the same pace until the finish. Salty's going through the last obstacle. Come on, Edward, catch up! But Edward seems to be far behind. Oh man, what are we seeing? Salty got stuck, and this has allowed Edward to come to the finish first and win this round. What an unfortunate mistake made by Salty. Now, let's get ready to the first semi-final. Thomas against Victor. This time Thomas has a very serious opponent. We remember Victor's impressive speed in his first round against Timothy. Ha! Nonetheless, we can see Thomas is not going to give it away that easily. Go Thomas, go! Speed it up! The tunnel is behind, and... Yes! Yes! Thomas is finishing first in this round. Anyway, we should admit Victor was a very decent opponent, but Thomas has turned out to be faster. Awesome! Congratulations, Thomas! Now we'll witness the second semi-final. James versus Edward. I have no idea who's gonna cross the finish line first in this encounter. The engine winning this round will meet Thomas in the final. Look, it even seemed to me Edward was getting ahead of James. But on the second part of the track, James accelerated a little. They're entering the tunnel almost simultaneously. Oh, James is lingering a bit, but... Anyway, he's managing to leave the checkered flag first. Great job, James. Wow, that was a tight struggle they've put up here today. Good job, engines. And now, my friends, we're gonna see a spectacular show. The final round, represented by Blue Engine Thomas and Red Engine James. It's time for them to figure out which is faster, Blues or Reds. We know they've been arguing about it for quite a while. Hopefully Thomas will prove himself the fastest engine in today's amazing competition. He's approaching the finish, and... yeah! Thomas is the champion! Congratulations! That was awesome! Thomas is getting his well-deserved cup. James couldn't seem to do anything to get even closer to Thomas. You put up a great performance today, Thomas. Take a look at how much Annie and Clarabelle are happy about that. Wow, that was a real final. Thank you all the participants of today's racing. And of course, thank you our dear viewers for staying with us. Subscribe to our channel and put your likes. We'll see you all in our new videos. Goodbye!